Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, guys, blessed love. You know the thing goes, you know how the thing goes. I'm here, Akeynote live in Canada, you know. I'm in Toronto. I'm not saying Toronto anymore, Toronto. You know, everything goes. But I'm in this place called Scarborough. I'm back here again, you know the thing goes. I'm there with not Jamaica area code, but the man himself when he have the area code 1876. The man himself
416-1876 Jamaica, my people. When you pick up on yourself. And I'll say, oh Jay, when they are Jamaica link up with Akeynote. Now they are Toronto, we are link up with Akeynote.
Yeah.
Akeynote.
Live in Jamaica.
Right, my people, so that are cool. We just show them around Scarborough, my people, right now. We just you know, just a local tour, you know, I'm not there for too long, but we just go show as much as possible what him want to do. Because people, him come to Scarborough already, you know, because I'm saying God the bluffs, him go do this, him do that. So we don't even know what more if we go show him, but we're going to show him a couple of the area them, and I know so a whole heap of people that are watching, like up at the Jamaican restaurant in area, a whole heap of Jamaican people there right now, people. So I go up at one of my Virgin barber shop, if you don't know Conrad's, I go up right there so and show up there, so you understand? But yeah, man, Akeynote, big up yourself, man, with people out there, you understand?
Since I've been here, I'm not sitting around, I've been moving around, you know, even most time and myself. So right now, by the time a man mention a name and say, yo, Akeynote, been to this place, I say, yeah, man, I've been there already. If you have someone else in mind, yeah, man, I've been there too. You know, so I keep it moving, you know. So the man 1876, you know, you can check out his YouTube channel also.
People that don't know so me walk the streets, you know. So all of the ghetto them in Canada, but they call them ghetto, but they're not really ghetto. Jamaica ghetto compared to these ghetto is not really ghetto.
Uptown ghetto.
Yeah.
So the uptown ghetto, you know, the foreign uptown ghetto. So it's different. You know, it's not grimy. Like how them places are grimy in Jamaica.
Christian place them, man.
Yeah, man. Them places are top class, you know, them get 4.5 star. You know, them get a 4.5 star, you know, Jamaican get to them and play with them down
here. You got the bluffs already, right?
The bluff?
The Scarborough bluffs.
No.
You never got Scarborough bluffs?
No, I'm tell you, I got the Kiddies Carnival.
Oh, you never go down there?
No.
Alright.
So the bluff are what?
The bluff is like Woodbine Beach, but...
Oh, the beach?
Yeah, but...
okay,
yeah. Scarborough bluffs.
That they call the beach?
That a Woodbine Beach, you got Woodbine Beach.
Yeah. So the bluff are what now?
Different.
Okay.
It's almost like Woodbine Beach, right? Right.
Oh, it's a beach as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
I drive with them, right?
So the same thing just like the
Woodbine Beach.
Okay.
Just in a Scarborough side.
Okay. So what the difference from that one to that one? I'm more excited about that.
The vibe, Woodbine Beach more
touristic.
Yeah. Scarborough Bluffs are more of the Scarborough people, man. Around the people around the area. Yeah. Or mostly go at this one right here. So.
Okay.
But when you go down there, you will see the different vibe.
Boy, I don't know how it feel if you are swimming in beach water, but it fresh. But, you know, we Jamaican, we used to the salt water. Yes, but then big old lake, what they call beach.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If you are going to the water with your mind so conditioned, not knowing so the water is fresh. By the first dive and come back, you start fret because you wonder what kind of water this is, you know.
You know, so when you walk by the water, you have to say you can really actually swim. It look like a beach and the water is clear. But me not swimming night.
No.
People out there swim right now. Me not swimming night though, my people. But I always leave vlog with people, I'm showing it down there already. Me not swimming night. And sometimes them have like the levels of the chart. There's a chart there to say, okay, it's safe, it's unsafe to swim.
Okay.
And like the whatever bacteria in the water. Sometimes they show you that. Yeah.
So that means you see, once bacteria in the water there, in the first place, me not go there. You know?
I know all the time still, you know, but they make sure I tell you those say
it's there.
Yeah.
So them not have to tell me no more. Once it's there, them not have to wait and them to tell me say, yo, don't go in the water. Bacteria to them. Me not go into that. You know, but me there them swimming there. You know, wait till we go back to Jamaica.
Right,
you know,
over Elsha.
Right over Elsha. Go up a Mama River, find a river. In a river, there's so many rivers in Jamaica and beach.
What would you say is the best river, the best like beach in Jamaica? Where you would say, yeah, we could recommend the best beach, or what you would like?
Well, I can't even tell you to be honest, because I'm not really like a beach fan. I'm more like a I'm more like a river fan, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, not really much of a beach thing. We stick to the river, but I can't even tell you which beach to be honest. Because salt water, I'm not really too big fan of salt water. Yeah. That view. One whole heap of freshwater view. Quite big man, you buy that thing say yo.
It's an ocean.
It's an ocean. Hey, nobody that thing say yo, see the ocean there.
I think this side lock off. So we're going on the beach side.
Alright, so the Bluffers Park. So let's see what I go on the Bluffers Park. You don't know it's a during the week. You know, so
you want to come because the weekend lock off.
yeah, so people more here these times.
Yeah, no, because the week is a bit overdrive down right now.
Yeah.
Police block it off from top right, and you have to take bus and taxi and Uber for come down.
Oh, okay.
And if you come to barbecue and all of them stuff, they have to bring all of them stuff. They just kind of upset.
Yeah.
Other than from that, around us, everybody really come out tomorrow. We might have come over here just come play the music and vibe out.
Yeah.
Only people come around here, so book the marine around here also.
So this is the Bluffers Beach.
Scarborough Bluffs.
Scarborough Bluff. A poker bluff thing them a do with. A bluff yes, because this bluff make it look like it's a real beach.
Go down find out by water and see where it is.
Yeah, you know.
Go nice. Yes, my people, so we're at the Scarborough Bluffs right now. And it's almost similar to Woodbine Beach at the end of the day, but it's just in a Scarborough, and it's the same lake, a Lake Ontario.
Yeah.
So it's the same lake at the end of the day, and people don't work, my people are right here, so them come and this is the vibe. Sometimes people do a lot of barbecues down here, a lot of cookout and stuff like that, and a lot of Jamaicans do really come down here and just sit down and meditate and play their music and vibe out.
Yeah.
Now I gotta tell you, no, like the first time I ever come down here, I and my family them, and we just come down here, come enjoy it.
I'm tell you the tricky thing about this as well too. Let me show you. It's about us walking come, so true we used to. The waves them are rushing, you can't hear the sound.
You can't hear nothing.
You come here so it just quiet there for one day for water there here. You notice?
Yeah, it's silent.
Silent and it's just flat. No wave at all, not one wave. You don't see. You see me? Imagine if you come here at night, it's so peace and quiet, you could walk off in the water not knowing that.
You come on, you can do your tent camping and you sleep here, man.
This is so quiet, guys.
Only noise you got here if people are playing their music.
Yeah, because the place is I really bluff, lemon bluff. Guys, they really bluffing with all that because water quiet. Water quiet.
You can see the water different from here. Like you can swim in the water over here. You can walk with it. You can see the water. You can even see it clear.
Yeah, I see what they man what I got the Woodbine one.
But
I see it's
you still not swimming in it.
No, son.
That's why I'm not swimming in it. I think at one time I ever go in there, I'm still not go back in there.
Feel weird.
I don't know that my skin never take on to it good.
Yeah, the most.
So I never really like it. So I tell myself I not go back out there. And then when you go, them have salmon in night too, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, you can get salmon in night, but no fish not come up close to this area.
Yeah.
So people go and go catch fish, but I not see.
Alright guys, so we're gonna I'm gonna head out now, you know, just a little quick view. Just to show you guys what I go on, you know. For who is not in this country, because you know who is in this country, I already know what I go on. What is that going on? A snow?
No.
I'm doing a snow.
Cotton.
Guys, like cotton, so it's like them have to slave them still there work, same about the cotton field. There's a pure cotton we see have come in and have one ever snow. You know the sun, in the warm time. A lot of cotton. You can see. A lot of it.
So, this is the dark part of Scarborough. Look a bit my people at the end of the beer spot, you know?
Dark part, the ghetto part.
Yeah, it's all around us stay now.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a vibe out.
Yeah.
All them do a drink all day around this and do what them not supposed to do around this.
Yeah. She's the dark alley.
Yeah, man. Me myself no video around this. You know the address about the studio there?
Yeah, it's supposed to be on my phone. It's on my phone.
If I the studio there, Kyle, the studio there is up the road, you know.
Yeah, it's on my phone still.
That if I'm Bellamy and Mark and Ellesmere.
Okay.
If anything. It's a big studio, right?
Not quite so big.
But wait me.
You know, man, when I tell the address, I'm going on the vehicle. Alright, guys, so we're there. Yo, Pablo, you're the west, me the east. So, guys, me the east Eglinton. You know, and Pablo, I know you're in the west. You know, sometimes I say east is the best, but west come next. You know, but Pablo, I'm not that far from you, but I'm over the other side of the east. So, guys, but around here, so kind of look different. Like, I have to wonder, a Canada this way there, and a Canada this. I have to wonder if I can. The places look different. It's not so. At first, me come somewhere on the road and the place is not so as clean as it's supposed to. Literally not so clean. You know, you can see all the rubbish them is in the car park here. You know, a lot.
I'll see. It's just showing me.
So a lot of. What's that? Ice? What are they doing with the ice?
Cooling down.
Cooling down. People walk with some ice, look like some sheer ice, snow ice. You know, but as you can see, look, the road here is a bit more, you know, it's not so clean on the ground. A lot of rubbish all about the place. You know, it's different from well, this is not Canada at all. This ain't Canada. It's a Canada cousin. But even though you have some place here in Canada, it's not always clean as all other places, other areas are, you know. So I get to find out, so you have some place where you know it's always clean, but some places not as that much, you know, like here in Eglinton East, you know, I mean, so place wants some more to clean up. So nobody can talk about Trench Town, and say Trench Town Street want to sweep up. Them a street they want to sweep up too, you know. Them car park you want to sweep up, boy. Nah, like really want to sweep up. Literally rubbish and thing there everywhere. So right now we're at a spot named Auntie Elsie. This is a Caribbean kitchen. Auntie Elsie. So 1876 is over there, so I'm see what I go on Auntie Elsie shop. Hello, my brother.
You know bad vibes, man. We're not giving no bad vibes.
No, man, we don't bring bad vibes, man. They get the accent. For you, the accent, you know what Jamaican. You see me? You got to say, where you from? Jamaica?
Yeah, man.
Where are Jamaica?
Westmoreland.
Westmoreland? My family at Westmoreland as well, you know.
Which part?
Beast and Spring.
Yeah.
Yeah, you? White House side.
Stop. Green Jill.
Real Jill. Oh, yeah, they were the best thing there.
Beast and Spring, nice. Like up there.
You like up there? Yes. I never been to Green Jill though.
Go to Negril.
Negril.
You come off Beast and Spring there from the map.
White House?
Yeah.
White House. On the straight road, like you're going towards South. Okay.
Instead of South town, it was straight.
Oh.
The other way. The man in school go the other way.
That's the same direction I'll take it to Negril, right?
And then from Grange you go Little Land.
Yeah. I'm drive past there.
Grange you go. You can go
Want to go here. What the I name? Wait. Raja Kino. You know, Kino. Yeah. We have Kino. A lot of Kinos from China. You from China? A lot of Kinos from China. No?
They want something to Eno they drinking.
Kino?
Andrews. Eno fruit salt.
Okay. How does it feel to be a Jamaican? Good.
You're well known down there.
Yeah?
You can't go and niggle. Even they start to you with the car with him up there.
Yeah, because if you don't speak more to tell you could speak Jamaican, you know. You tell like, oh, this man does. Born there. No, so you live here in Canada.
Well, I went to Kingston School.
Okay.
On gas station.
Yeah. The school I used to go, Campion.
STGC. George's College.
Okay. I know a lot. Used to go Campion as well.
Brother used to go Campion.
Your brother, you see? So close by. So you dash with the sun for the cold. Which one you like your brother?
The sun.
Yeah, but go back for you.
One day, man.
Yeah. A long time I go back. When was the last day you go back to Jamaica?
Hardly go back.
Hardly.
Mother died, go back. Father died, go back. Brother died, go back. Mother died, go back.
Oh.
Apart from that, go back about 2 times from the
Oh, so most of the family. Oh, sorry to hear that. So your mother and your father is from China as well too?
No, they're born in Jamaica too, but their parents come from China.
Okay, and then born there. Okay, big family. Yeah, man. So you
The mother born at Kingston, father from Grange.
Okay.
You might own no Kino.
I don't wanna.
Yeah, man.
Oh, to me say Auntie Elsie.
Yeah.
So it's Auntie Elsie.
The mother name.
Oh, it's a mommy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cause like how you have Chinese mixed with the Jamaicanese, so that means they combine supposed to be one of the special.
Jamaica food we have, you know.
Yeah.
Chicken back and back.
This is the only place I can get chicken back.
Chicken back.
Yeah. White rice and chicken back right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but.
White rice and chicken back right here. What kind of patty have in here?
Spicy mild one.
Any vegetarian patty in there?
No, yeah, just by last one. They have chicken though.
Oh, me a pescatarian, so. Yeah.
Maybe they can't get one free.
Wait, them have one in there?
Maybe. No. Whatever.
Okay.
Right, that's all.
So come like say, we'll try to get one.
It works both ways.
Yes, man. Big up, man. Nice to meet you, my general, you know. Big up yourself every time. Big up. Are we going out?
Yeah.
No, we're stepping out.
You can see the food them over here.
Yeah.
And stuff like that, you know. I don't know, yeah, I'm a fish over this and all that.
Oh, shrimp, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. So.
Yes.
Get one of the coconut drops and a gizzard. Yeah. And ginger beer. So get the ginger beer, get some plantain, coconut drops and gizzard.
Okay, so
That's the one we rather.
pick it up now with the bread.
Yeah. Huh?
Okay, so then all she has
I'm
to
good.
do now is like
Alright, then respect. I had the son. And the son, respect son. Yeah, big up. The guys have been treated, you know. The guys have been treated, you know. The son himself, you know. He never charged anything for this good, so we give time.
Okay, bye-bye.
You need to buy the car.
Did I buy it?
Yeah. Get right now. Highest price I can give and get right now.
The highest price?
Best price win.
They don't want to hear my price still. Because nobody now want to give a price that them can't afford. No. Yeah.
How much you that about? Canadian. How much is that?
Canada, no, I can't tell still because I don't really understand the price then. So how much should I get for?
I said I need for 6 or 5.5.
5.5.
So that's like 550,000.
Well, it reasonable. Jamaica price 550,000. You know because
It is a Jamaica for 550,000.
I not get it for 550,000 in Jamaica. You see me for sure. You see me?
It's a Jamaica go for all. 1.2,
2.
1.5.
Yeah, 1.2. Because remember,
Yeah, yard man.
Yeah.
Fire.
Spanish one. Let me just come from Jamaica.
so see the guys, so see there.
In the pot.
The sun sort me out, say never charge me anything, you know what I'm saying? Clean it good. Can I get gizzard and plantain and
From Spanish Town then?
no, Trenchtown. Originally from Trenchtown.
So you know
Was-
Sadiki?
Sadiki?
Yeah.
So now me do a video with Sadiki, man.
Yeah.
Sadiki.
Sadiki the dancer, man.
Oh, okay, yeah. Sadiki put on a whole for weight now.
Mm-hmm.
You might wait long time.
Sadiki there right now?
Yeah man, I'm up.
I'm upstairs, call him now.
Yeah.
General, big up,
Let's
man.
hear for
Yeah,
it.
Jim.
Where you come from?
Huh?
Where you come from?
The woman from Jungle bring me come in. Me used to live at Septimus Street. There's a woman from Craig Town bring me here.
And me from down Arima.
No, my uncle is from 4th Street.
And me
He
from
said
3rd
she
Street.
He says I'm a cousin, first cousin.
But me from 3rd Street.
Yeah.
From 4th Street. See
Yeah,
there?
Buckers.
Buckers.
Yeah.
Kuna man.
Yeah.
Well, I'm here 3rd Street, cross the gully.
Alright.
Yeah? Big up.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's not it.
Yeah, man, Kuna man. You able to see the police car circling as well. They say, you know, this area is not an area where too pretty. You know? It's not a too pretty area. Let me see if they're coming from behind my side. Yeah. So, it's not too pretty these sides. That's why you see the cops them a circle and thing. You know, but I could tell from how the area looks and everything that it's one of them areas. Because you can see the police car. See police car driving up behind me right now. Yes, so them will drive past. So you can tell it's here. They're circling the block. When you see the circle in the block, you must know as what type of spot. You know? You can tell. And this area need a lot of cleaning up. You know, so this shows. The party are different. Because when you see all the police are circle the block, you must know. You know?
Just a circle, man.
Yeah.
But them call them sea rat.
See, well, I really ear rat them. Cause even them look grimy around you. Them boy I will see and take all their things. See them, you know? Everybody grimy around you. You know?
Welcome to Scarborough, man.
Yeah.
So, right, so what I'm going to do right now, there's a subway line that come. So it's a extend the further along the Eglinton side
Okay.
and go down. So that's why all of these right here, so now, but down there, so it's always a busy spot. Down there used to be a nightclub named Rumors Nightclub,
Yeah.
and a lot of people use it, you know, it's a lot of attraction, but
Okay.
after them close the Rumors Nightclub now,
Yeah.
nobody really never. But I'm still, because this is Jamaica, this is the last Jamaican restaurant on this side. Over
Okay.
next there's a cleaners over there, it's a dry cleaning company.
Yeah.
A Jamaican owners also, and every summertime they do a party also in the parking lot, like barcade it off.
Yeah.
So I'm over there sister, but right now we have to drive up to party time by
Yeah.
Conrad Barber Shop.
Yeah.
And there's a lot more Jamaican around there. So.
Yeah.
That's a one kid alive.
Cooler man.
Cooler
Big up.
I also with a camera.
Yeah.
On stage, you know?
Yeah.
Cup on them. Watch your work.
Cooler man.
Fire, man.
Yeah, respect for that man. For that.
Man, we ask them,
See,
man.
I want the barber them too.
Yes, man.
Barber too.
Yeah, man. Barber,
Fully.
too.
Fully barber.
And chef.
And chef.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so see there.
I wanna hear them deaf.
So we have the big barber, the mini barber, the sharp barber, and the big chef. Big figure. So everything is right. So everything, you know, so you know everything. So see the guys over there at Eglinton over there, you know, with the East, Pablo, I'm still keeping a big up yourself. Not Pablo, yeah, you know. And the Pablo was asking about is not him, but it's a Pablo this too.
It's a Pablo skater, you find me.
Yeah. There's a Pablo East, and we have Pablo West. You know, we know about North. But we know sometimes you can find Pablo South.
I say, come on, only for Pablo there, but here, one Pablo on the app.
Yeah.
And a Pablo skater, you see it.
So you them say me the best party?
No, that's a party time, right? That's all.
All right, that's all.
Zine, me a Pablo's catering, fully catering.
Yes, deliver.
I will say swim around. Zine, I will say fry fish.
Oh.
Brown stew fish, steam fish, roast fish.
Yeah.
I mean that the best in Toronto. I
So
swear.
and I just know you come around a long time.
Long time, man. We do it.
Yeah, do it.
We do it.
So if anybody want to call you for order food, a simple thing.
Yeah, man.
What the furthest?
647-889-7039. Find them say Pablo's catering. Find me anywhere in Toronto. Anybody in the marks. Pablo's catering. Where am they? Rope wraps.
So what the furthest you go for do the catering?
Anywhere at all in Toronto. Find the price
Oh,
right.
just Toronto. I'm to outside.
Well, that's one.
Oh, catch me here talk about Toronto alone.
Yes, I live the whole GTA.
Alright.
You understand? And I'm tell say right now, look a bit from now, we have a link. When about next 3 weeks, Zine a catering job right at Jamaica.
So we are talking about Grand Theft Auto. Come into GTA now. We are talking about Grand Theft Auto.
No, in Toronto.
I saw the car in?
Yeah, man, GTA, man.
GTA.
Toronto, Durham,
Zine
Victoria,
Toronto,
the
yeah.
Ajax, so
Oh.
Yeah, man.
It sounds like Grand Theft Auto, you know. Because I say I want to play game and I play, you know.
Nobody care. We're not thief nobody care. We buy our own.
Yeah, which is
We
right.
buy our own car.
Yeah.
We roll heavy, you know. We work hard. And when you work hard, you have to can roll heavy. You see it?
Yes.
We do it, man.
So bigger barber.
Yeah, man, I see them on a Conrad's, man, finest, you see me? Yeah, man, and they want the bad taper fade, you know what I mean? You name it, burst fade, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? Ball fade, you see me? Bigs,
Yeah.
man, link up.
Birds
Yeah, man,
fade,
I'm
ball
back
fade,
to-
and what kind of fade you drop?
I said fade man, one pellet on your man.
Oh, Pella face looks like familiar.
Yeah.
Your face look familiar, you know.
Yeah, first day I see man.
No, but them say, yo, when we black we look alike, you know. You see me, I say, so you never know, we have the shortest cut, you know. Probably give the neatest cut, the sharpest cut. Yeah?
Corners Barbershop, big up.
You from Nigeria?
Yes,
Hello, my brother. Hello, my brother. I hope all is well, my brother. You see me, I say, man. Yeah, man, I love alone, man, you know. Even though the summer look like it finished already, you know.
Not done yet, not
done
done
yet.
yet. Caravan not done yet.
But them say after Caribbean, I eat that.
After, but not reach yet.
So 1 week you have left then, man. You see what I go on. Rough, brother.
Come again, you know.
So
That's how the outside I go and drop, you see it?
take the most of
But I
it.
beat to some Campari and Stone, you see it?
Yes.
Once upon a time, we used to get 4 months worth of summer.
Yeah.
As time
No.
go by, change.
And 1.5 and I get right now.
When the dog said and done about a month, we are getting a swear.
Yeah, because it look like that. Because me they almost
ago,
now.
really.
Watching for him just start, you know.
2 weeks ago, it really chip in, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Right now, you see, evening, I'm done, I get. You
Yeah,
understand?
yeah, yeah,
Chilly
yeah.
already, so you know, say, we have to just go on full dry, look a bit to the left.
Of course. I feel sorry for it still, you know.
Jesus. We used to it, man.
Yeah, I feel sorry for it. Coming with people, this long winter. And as the sun, that's why everybody kind of rush out for make sure them full dry the sun because not much left.
No.
You know? That's why you have so much thing happening at the same time. 10 festival per one day. 20 barbecue one day.
You don't know where to
You
go.
know where to go.
And then tomorrow you don't know where to go.
You know what I mean? Nowhere to go. So just make the use of it, man. So I'm glad, man. Pablo, big up yourself.
Hold on, man. I remember, you know, this weekend, the whole weekend, this weekend, me at Thompson Park, big thing over here is a rib fest.
Yeah.
See, you know, over there, so I work for the whole weekend.
Rib
from Friday
fest.
to Monday, right over Thompson Park, that's all.
Was a Caribbean thing like?
Yeah. Big old carnival festival.
You just said
Whole
the rib,
whole
you know.
patrols.
Which one I did them?
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Oh, so that 4 day thing.
4-day thing.
Okay, so we can
Yeah, man.
pass through one
So we
idea.
pull up. Park the right across the road, is Thompson Park.
Yeah.
That will full up from Friday right back till Monday with thousands of people.
So which day the best day I could have passed through over there? Because you know you have a better day than the other rest of the day.
I must tell you the truth, the whole idea them I go full, you know. But
Well.
sometimes the last day, the Monday,
Yeah.
you know, everybody, you know, who no get to reach it yet from Friday, them I go show them
Monday.
I go reach it the Monday.
Monday holiday.
No, I don't really. Monday and holiday. No. not really holiday, you know, but it's a festive weekend because of the Caravana.
Yeah.
You understand? Caravana weekend is always a festive weekend in Toronto where everybody go out and about.
Yeah.
You know?
For me, it's the biggest carnival in the world, man.
Yeah.
You know, it's a million. Yeah. But yeah, man. But I say generally, I remember him face. I know who I remember him face from, but I bet while I'm editing, I remember you go.
Fully active, man.
Yeah, what school I used to go?
Eh?
School I used to go, yeah.
My God.
Oh.
You know, but they're supposed to say.
I'm saying them say
People just have some favor some people some.
Well, that's it, got people feel paper.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, go. Barbers, one of them day, I come sample a cut, you know. They come like on the next trip. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. And you still see me. Yeah. Nothing change.
Chris Rock and do it.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay. No, I'm see the looks. I see why. I do it. A queenie do it.
I'm mad, man.
And I him.
I mean.
I look alive.
No.
And that's where I come from, man.
Yeah, do it.
Do it, yeah. That's what I say. Look like somebody, but a queenie do it. Him look like, you know? Yeah, man, a queenie do it him look like, man. Another woman thing, you know, and fear do it, man.
I meet them called General Genius, man. Toronto's Tita's finest General Genius. Them for now. Yeah, man, I don't know that. You see it?
Yeah.
Number one in Toronto.
Yeah.
That boy. Yeah.
Right now?
I do it from then till now.
Alright.
So reach a foreign 85 as a little tiny youth.
Yeah.
And I right now the dance hall and put me till now. We do it Ninja, Shabba, you do Major, you do it the whole Beanie Man, the whole lot. You talk about the whole of them. Me do it. Major Worries, mash up the place with the whole of them artists. Josie Whale, Wayne, what they talk. Canada, I feel me stamping ground. When you talk about Bounty Killer Jamaica, Vibes Cartel of Jamaica, you talk about Genius of Canada.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So what are the biggest songs you release with everybody know?
I have the latest one named Oh, them a darling, on the WYFL rhythm. Miss Charming. I'm much of the place right now, yeah.
So what the hit where you have before? So say me can recognize it.
Okay. I have a hit when I don't know if you recognize it.
Yeah.
But I think Raptor Foot in 2019. Mash up the
Raptor
Canada.
Foot.
You see when Toronto, Canada, they win the championship with the football, with the basketball team.
Yeah.
Me do a thing near Raptor Foot. Mash up the internet, turn up the whole place on the news, all the mayor.
Yeah.
So, oh, you mean? I mean, the mayor went to win the game, the side and side.
Okay. So you ever win the junior awards with them? Made them
never apply for that.
Oh,
that come like it to fix. Go there, me I take it.
Oh, something you have to apply for?
Yeah, man, you have to go for it and yeah.
Okay.
So
Think of them
they submit your thing to it and you know. Win. And then the judges decide who to win or not in our politics.
Yeah.
Politics.
That's all like our politics.
Politics,
think of something where the audience them vote for.
Politics, police and pastor, I'm afraid that me not
stay far from it.
Stay far from it, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Music we deal with it, I love of the people. So we deal with article love we deal with it. You see
so
me?
you can give the people them something where you want to promote right now, where you say new one, we're out there, you know, if you're in the mood.
I have a whole heap of thing out a chop right now. I have the thing called Oh, them my darling. You Miss Charming, me say me love you so much me want get up and your pretty face Lord every morning. My name was she calling, calling me your darling. Me say me love you so much me want get up and blow in your pretty face Lord every morning. Dropping her belly so she feel it that chest. Me say me do the whole of figure. I say GPS so me put out her money yeah me do the interest. Oh, them me darling. Yeah man, I hit the place right now. You see.
Yes,
remember the next one I say Hotmail. The girl said they want a Hotmail. I said yeah, ooh. So we hooked up, put that in a box, shot tape that, put it on Snapchat, put it on a box, start to play with the Twitter, and then I Google on the Facebook, I take a picture, put it on IG, so the world could see how her face look. Cause I'm a bad ass crook, yeah. Let me hit you at the hit spot, and do it with the drip drop. And it be like a hip hop on the tip, my girl, like a tip top, baby. You turn me on, my girl. I don't want to General Genius to the crowd.
General Genius, to the world, universe.
Yeah, man. I'm big up friends for real. You don't know them youth there for real. I have a thing called Rifle Warrior. When I do with them do that. I have a next thing called Money Power.
Okay.
When I say Some boy a target cause them badness sell down a market, them talk it, we walk it. And my badness will lift them like a forklift, like GPS. Left them in a darkness. And all who can't hear them a go feel. No, say you doing this bad man for real, yeah? Well, everything sign, everything steal. Boy skin a go get peel and fambo teeth the style. Come on, blood spiller, gal chiller, trendsetter, real killer. You know we are upsetter, go getter, so a better. You go on and your bed, go right together. Love letter before you get her. Gunshot in your head, we sting you like pepper. Better you left ya. Quick and fast, fambo in your pop down jetter. Me say fambo live in another style, that's why I touch it.
Where's your style in Barrow?
In Barrow it, man.
I never see you do a Barrow in Barrow.
Barrow. Me see my touch it style, you see.
So we can know rent due.
Yeah, you know. Fambo, General Genius, I talk to you know.
Yeah,
man, I know a long time you do the thing, but a long time you do the thing, you see it. You can borrow the thing, you know. But many people them know.
Yeah.
General Genius, I turn to Canada. Theme style that. Yeah, man. That's finest.
Yeah, that's
General Genius.
Yeah.
And them for now. Yeah, man, right, that's right there.
And that them for now. General
Genius. Canada, Scarborough.
Yeah.
We say, boom.
Yeah. You know, so right now we're there. Seeing the whole over there. Seeing Pele. Luna there. Seeing Biggs there. Conrad Barbershop and I, see me?
Yeah.
Seeing Pablo's Catering. Right now we have to give official big up to Akeynote Life out of Jamaica.
Yeah.
Take the time out for pass through, we come give you a proper big up.
Yes,
I would say manners and respect. You see,
man.
big up yourself every time, my brother.
Respect, man.
Just go and do the right thing.
Yes,
go and big up the road. You understand? Hear me? Anything you do, put God first.
Every time.
Because you know, say I leader that.
Yes,
see,
yes.
hear me? Guidance and protection from the ground, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, manners.
More strength, you know? More strength. More strength. Yeah, big up Queen, you know? I say you're Queen, we'll find him. And I do it. Oh, you know? Pele. Alright, then a Pele. So do we no Queen and him, sorry. I Pele this at the baller. You know? At the baller. Yeah, and listen, and if my wife here watch, sorry, my mistake, you know? And I do it, but the things I do, yeah? So if my wife here watch, my mistake, yeah? And him. Alright, Queen, sorry. And him. I Pele this. So, you know what I think of? Yes, sir. Them Joe man from Jamaica?
Yeah, I'm Jamaica.
Straight from Jamaica? Boy, the things them look the same, you know.
Look the same. Fresh room come just far.
Me and the same.
Go back to the fresh room.
Me and the same. Smell the same. And taste similar.
See, put them down as a too.
Where is it, Jamaica?
Yeah, man, straight, man.
Just touched down from Jamaica. Breadfruit from Jamaica.
One fire key, my lad. That's the thing. You
see that? Just touched down from Jamaica.
Why you come all the time? You should have come when we are go over a festival now. You have to beer sitting, everything, prestige, bun, donut, everything. We have bun, everything Jamaica.
So what the I name?
Fire key, them call me.
Fire key.
Yeah, but my right name machine still. That's what I say.
So fire key, what fire key do? I'm selling the juice, them the natural thing.
Natural beverage them, and so we sell all types. So we have all the tigers them, we have the bun them, everything.
Tigers from Jamaica.
Yeah, man, we have the cheese stick them or whatever you want, because I not to eat them things and stuff.
Yeah.
We have bring Jamaica.
Now we just saw the bun, the tigers, you know. You like it at yard, good munchies. See the bun, yeah? You know the bun, no cheese. We take it to the breeze, spice bun. That's where you have fun.
I just take out one a while ago and put it.
Take it out.
So what are some of the drinks that you have right here, right now?
Alright, I have
my thing is seamoss soursop.
I thought what, carrot?
I have seamoss soursop, I have seamoss beetroot, I have front end lifter, pum pum power, resurrection. Then I have beetroot, carrot, pine and ginger, watermelon, pomegranate, mango, green juice. Yeah, but I don't have all of the beverage I'm ready right now, because guess what? We are going to a festival, so we are prepared. I make, if you notice some bucket in our juice them in this, and we have whole heap of beverage to make.
So the carrot we use in the carrot?
Alright, the carrot, like the carrot juice now, I juice it with oat milk, not goat, you know, oat.
Oat milk,
Yeah, plant-based milk we use. I don't use no no animal.
Yeah, no dairy product, none of that.
No dairy, no animal product in our things. So, and then juice, me no bother use no water, me just use the straight oat milk and juice it. And then me sweeten it with unpasteurized honey, you don't know little vanilla and everything and egg and thing. You see what I say?
So the black car one, which one is this?
No, well, here one. Them are come in a small buckle. Yeah, the small buckle them are the liquor buckle are the black cork buckle, right?
Yeah.
So the one here are the orange cork or the bigger cork buckle them. But me label them by just put because I'm gonna start put on my label them yet. Because you know we are freelance here.
Yeah.
I try. And I really say we can't do it yet, but we're not ready yet. You see me? Because it a work right now. And I don't really say no put in no more money. Because only for something for the half fire.
I have to do what I have to do.
I alone do all of them stuff me in a fire and I have to run up and down. More time the general come in and give us strength or, you know. But me alone, you see what I say?
So the last carrot that him get?
Me don't know if no more carrot there. You want a sour sap?
No.
You want a pine and ginger?
Alright, I work with a pine and ginger. Sour sap or our sap. The fire key, give us something there now.
Talk about them artists, dancehall can artists. Proclaim for me the artists, Durant to some of the surface. Look for when them start this.
They don't want to hear you clap this. No, they want you talk this. They don't know the fire key, you are the artist.
But the righteousness I deal with still I love, you know.
Every time.
That's what I say. In life, you may come upon these rocky roads and have to journey the steepest slopes. Many friends may turn your foes. In life, every fight is a chance to grow. Stand firm, never let no weakness show. Down today, but what tomorrow brings no one knows. I know everybody out there go like you. So when them fight you, you wanna make them sure.
You got yourself one fire key. Pull the mind where going on. Yo, genius. Want to do the right thing, you know. You know your thing, well guys, blessed love. So guys, today I'm downtown Toronto trying to get my camera sorted out. Because when I was in Jamaica, my camera was I don't know, maybe it's the heat or whatsoever. I don't know what happened, but my camera the battery been swelling and it's been exposed at the back of my Osmo Pocket 3, you know. So the back of the camera it's been swollen, the battery swelled right out and it kind of forced to open the back of the camera. So it's been exposed. So you have to put some tape on it, you know. So I'm going down by Queen Street, you know, to this place called Vistec that sell camera and them stuff, you know, I can repair. So I'm just going there to check and see, you know, or if that's the case, I probably have to go get a new one and dust done, you know, and get the new Pocket 4, you know. But I need to try and sort this out because I don't think I can go back to Jamaica with this camera, just in case if it does not working anymore on me, you know. So I have to go to sort that out. Otherwise, if I'm in Jamaica without a camera and cannot do no vlogging or on the day while I'm doing anything, the camera will shut down and won't come back on. You know, that will be an uncomfortable story to be here at the same time while you cannot vlog, you know. I haven't been using my GoPro for the longest while, so I don't know what's going on with that neither. So I just need to just get one more of these, you know, because I like the Osmo, you know. So I'm going to find out. Hopefully they can repair, or I have to just get another one, you know. So I'm heading down to Queen Street. So I'm on Dundas, heading into Queen Street. I'm making myself around, so I'm finding myself around, you know. So trust me, no more losing, you know. I'm finding myself around. I just ask questions and keep moving. That's how I do it. Ask and keep moving. Keep moving. We keep moving. No cigarette. Queen Street East. So it's from Queen Street. This side, there is a bridge over there. There's a river street. Queen Street. I guess I want to go that way. Behind you.
Go that way, the bus over there. Bus stop.
I don't want to get a bus. I want to go to Vistec.
Huh?
You know Vistec?
Vistec.
It's a store.
It's a store.
Yeah.
It's on Queen Street. What's the number?
I don't know the number. I guess I'm going to Google it and see the number. But I'm going to go this way.
Yeah,
go this way.
Go that way. What's the number?
I don't know. I'm going to check it on Google.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, my brother.
Yeah. Okay.
Big up.
Take care.
Big up. Well, yes. So I find myself on Queen Street. So I'm looking for the store now, Vistec. You know, it's look like one of them old-fashioned building. Yeah, it looks like a really old-fashioned building, but it's not one of them Amazon or no Walmart look. You know, look like an old building. You know, say I'm giving myself so much walking because if it's not here, I have to go back there and go back around. You know, let me see what I go on. Let me see what's happening. I guess I never come this far. Oh. Wait. Oh, I guess it's down there, yeah. I recognize that building, so let me get closer. Alright, guys, so see I just found it here. It said Vistec. So let me see. So it says sales and rentals. So let's go see what I'm going here. Vistec. What this building look? I said that's what I said. The building kind of look different. So is this the building for the Vistec? Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Is this the building for the Vistec, the camera place?
I don't know. I think it's the apartment. I'm just picking up something. But it says, I don't know.
Is this the? This don't say anything.
I'm not sure.
Hello. Where they sell the cameras?
Cameras? Oh, it's in the other building, like over there.
Vistec?
I can show you. Just one. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Just speaking.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. There you go.
Good afternoon.
If you, from what I know, if you go through here.
So is this building Vistec? No?
Vistec is like over here. Like this is Vistec.
Okay.
Right there. Yeah.
Oh, this is where they do the digital stuff.
I believe so. Yeah.
Okay, because I saw it on the outside. I thought it was this building.
I think Vistec is here, and I think it's like here as well. But I'm not.
So it's everywhere.
It's like it's I don't know what, like I think it's on the first floor, I believe. I just don't know exactly like where
So
it could be.
to get the appliance, like my camera, this is my camera here.
Yeah.
I'm a vlogger.
Yeah.
Where they sell it? Which one of the buildings? Which buildings?
I honestly have no clue. If you, I'm trying to like.
So what's on this building right here?
This building, there's a couple of offices here. Like on the second floor and third floor, there's a couple offices. I'm not quite sure what floor Vistec is on. I mean, I've seen people like come out of that door before and like get stuff.
I'm gonna check that building.
So you can check over there. Yeah, I'm not sure. Or it could be. I don't know what other building it could be. Have you tried calling? Like,
No.
if you have a number or anything?
No, someone told me about it and I Googled it.
Okay.
So I could come here to get anything like camera equipment and them stuff.
I'm not 100% sure. I mean, if you search up Vistec, they probably have a phone number.
Yeah.
And you can say you're here and like ask like what entrance.
Yeah, alright then, I'm gonna do that. Thank you, I'm gonna do that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
so basically, I'm in this big, well, it's not an industrial place, you know. Over there is condo, you know. So it could never be on that side, because that's a condo. You know, here it said Vistec, and outside of this building it also said Vistec. So I don't know how, she don't know. So let me go in here and find out how the thing goes. So, and I'm gonna also link up back with Christmas list and Christmas list as well too. They're on their way as well. So I wanna see what I can get before they get here. So okay, so it is over here. Okay, it's over here. I'm on the right place. So how come she didn't know it's here? Maybe she don't. So what does it look like? Cash store pickup. Alright guys, I'm literally in the right place now. So it's on the 3rd floor. This is 2nd floor. Okay, so you got all different type of tech that they're selling. So this floor, 2nd, is the cameras. Okay. Third floor. Oh, this is like a whole camera room.
So basically we'll build this.
This is a whole camera setup for professional videographer, photographer, all the graphers you can get. Wow.
So basically we'll
I don't see no Osmo.
We can technically, if we need to, we can manually, like that guy.
They got the drones.
To be able to be touched and felt with the customer.
They got the drones, DJI drones here, and all of that. Dummies.
On stands here, so that they're like,
Hello. Do you get the Pocket 4 yet in store?
We have Pocket 4. You took over the Pro, you mean?
Yeah.
Pro's coming out maybe next week.
Okay. Alright guys, so yeah man, so basically they said tomorrow it's gonna be, they're gonna have it available, but not today. And they don't do repair. They say I have to go to the DJI place to get the repair done. You know, so I guess I have to come back tomorrow. Yeah. So I have to come back tomorrow, come get it. Oops. Hold on. Alright, respect. This guy, I get a lift, rolling, delivering pizza. Rolling on the street, guys. Ooh. Rolling. Yeah. It's a far walk. Yeah. So yes guys, so I did ask for information, you know, and direction where I'm going. you know, from this delivery guy, as you can see, you do delivery, you know. There you are, yeah. That's it.
Enjoy, man, enjoy.
It's good. So he do deliveries. So I did ask him for directions. So he saw me on the way walking, and he say, "Yo, come, I give you a lift." You know, I was there, a patrol in the street, delivering pizza.
What is going fast, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know where we are, but we're moving. We're moving. I'm just floating. You know what I mean? Anywhere it takes us, that's where we're going. Imagine, I'm a man that don't even like bike, you know, but watch me, you know. Here delivering food. Pray for me. Church Street. So we're riding to Young Street. You know, we're trying to find Young Street now, so that's where we're headed to. I'm just exploring, guys. Akeynote the Explorer. So we're at the traffic light, you know, you have to wait your turn, you know, you have to wait your turn. Here we are, we off. Delivery! Food! Wait, you got food?
No, I don't have food now.
Oh. So he's delivering me. Yeah.
Where are you from, bro?
So,
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
Jamaica, yeah?
I'm from Jamaica. You?
I'm from Africa.
From Africa, my brother. You are my brother.
Yeah.
This is my brother, guys, from Africa.
I know that, man.
Yeah, he's my brother. He's from we're in Africa.
Yeah, real, man.
Yeah, where in Africa you from?
Chad, man.
Chad?
Chad, yeah, Chad.
Chad, yes, my brother from Africa. I need to go to Africa myself too.
Yeah, come Africa, man.
Yeah, going one day for sure.
Yeah.
I want to go Ghana to see what Ghana is like.
Nice.
What? Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Alright. Do I need a helmet to be riding around on bike here? Queen Street. We're going to Young Street.
Yeah.
Is this Young? Young Street there?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Let me go Young Street.
Okay.
Let me go Young Street. Okay. Thank you, my brother. Respect. Okay. Big up. So you say Young Street that way?
That's it.
Alright, thank you. That is my brother from Africa. Big up, my brother. So guys, so I guess I'm down Young Street right now, literally exploring like Dora, but it's Akeynote the Explorer. You gonna drive it?
You know how to drive, man?
I can't drive man.
Can your feet touch the pedal?
Almost.
Almost.
Hey. Guys, and I'm here back with my brother.
Yes, sir.
Chris.
I noticed I watched your video with me in it.
Yeah.
And I didn't feel like I had good energy.
I know.
I felt a little bit off.
I didn't want to be left out.
Yeah. Now we have Tris.
Yo.
Tris, what's up with that helmet, man? It's so tight for my head.
You got a smaller head. You got a big head.
No, man, my head is smaller. Guys, my head is smaller. I think my head is smaller.
No, it's my hair. It gives the illusion.
Okay, yeah. But it's heavy though. How you manage that? That helmet is heavy, man.
I was gonna say something, but
alright, leave it. He was gonna say something, but let's leave it. So guys, so this is Tris Muslis.
Yeah.
So this is Tris Muslis. Let them know, Tris.
Let them know. So we're here in Toronto downtown. This is Young Dundas Square, recently renamed to Sanfoka Square. It was after. Sorry, I'm bad with the history of it. But I just know it was renamed. But yeah, this is like this is the Eden Center right here. This is one of our biggest malls in downtown. And then down the street we have like one of our universities, TMU.
Yeah.
So this is like a nice general area for people to come down, hang out. It's like almost like a general hub because you have this, you have like all like the foods and everything, like all fast foods and mall. You have the university, you have the movies, and then just down here, if you go down, continue going down, you have the CN Tower and stuff like that, and you can all reach it through our subway line.
All right, so we have all of that. So it's good to see about my brother here, Tris.
Yes, sir.
You know, the last time he was on the island, and I was here in winter. So everything we always stay connected same way. So once I'm here, we have to link up my brother.
Yes, sir.
You guys remember, check out Tris Muslis. You know, keep it on the list. So it's Christmas list, Christmas list, Christmas list, Christmas list, Christmas list, Christmas list. And this is some of this.
Have you taken the subway here before?
The GO train.
Oh, the GO train. Nah, the GO train and the subway is much different.
Underground. For how long?
You can go through the whole city.
Right. Okay, that's not bad.
You can go all the way up to like Vaughan. You can go all the way east to Scarborough. You can go all the way west to like Mississauga.
Okay, well I haven't taken the underground as yet.
Yeah.
As yet. So any experience we can have today, I am ready.
Yes, sir.
So we
get you
start
some
off
food.
Food first.
Yeah, I'm starving.
I
haven't eaten
food. So let's go find a spot. Chris gonna park, right?
Yeah, he's gonna come back.
Okay, where's he parking? Down?
I'm not sure.
Chris gonna park, and then we're gonna get some food and the street food. You know, we're getting some street food.
Yeah.
You know, but so I'll go and watch
you want to know something? Our street food, like unless it's like a designated like area, we're not allowed to have like street vendors.
Okay.
The only thing you're allowed to sell is hot dogs.
Yeah, and I don't eat hot dog.
Yeah, you
don't eat dog. You eat dog.
I eat dog.
Eat hot dog. Is this guy eating dog? If it's hot dog, that means it's a dog. It's not no sachets or no frankfurter. That's a hot dog you're eating. You can eat the dog cold, or you can eat it hot.
No, you never eat dog cold. No, you don't eat that shit cold. It tastes like Monday.
So you see, he accepted it that they eat hot dog, not the cold dog. They eat a hot dog.
Yes, sir.
So guys, if your dog is missing, check Tris. Check Tris, he'll be having that dog well hot, not cold, you know, not cold. How go on, Tris? How go on, Tris? Chris, what's going on, Chris?
You just switch, you know?
No, we not switch, but we never switch.
And you pass me from you come here?
Let me try to picture the face.
Put on your glasses, my dude.
Yo, hold on, guys. Let me put on my glasses because like
God, watch out.
I can't even see without my glasses. Hold on, let me put on my glasses.
Now.
Yeah. But I can't see without my glasses. What go on?
Tell me now.
We still can't picture all. No, I'm thinking about the glasses. The glasses ain't working.
Remember me.
Huh? Tris, you remember him?
Tell him now.
You remember?
Chris Muslis' son? Chris! How much treat me, son?
Where do you guys know each other, bro?
I'm trying to remember.
You trying to remember? You have amnesia.
Seems like that though.
No, but we meet a lot of people, so sometimes it's never good.
But just please forgive me for not remembering you. But I'm struggling at this minute. I swear.
So do I. I'm struggling too.
I'm struggling, but no hard feelings. You know, forgive me. You know, I meet so much people.
Where do you eat when you're in Toronto?
In Toronto?
Where do you eat?
Food?
Yeah. Where you buy food?
Buy food?
Fix this.
I'm buy food. It's been a while. I'm buy food.
You know, Toronto is a good Jamaican restaurant.
Yeah.
Me the best Jamaican chef, you know. I mean, invent jerk chicken, you know.
Yeah.
Portland.
For the Portland.
That's cool, man.
That's cool, no? Hello.
You know this guy?
I think something.
I'm
not sure.
It's his first day in Toronto.
Yeah?
It's my cousin.
Be careful.
Be careful.
We are family. It's my cousin.
What do you want for Christmas? Santa is here.
What I want for Christmas?
Christmas.
Yeah.
I need your Christmas list for Christmas.
What? You want a husband? There you go.
That's a young guy.
Yeah.
He's so big than me.
So you know, a tall guy?
Yeah.
You want-
he's
The short guy and tall guy.
Yeah. I'm young, right? I'm too young.
Yeah.
I'm too young.
Old man.
I'm too young for her.
I'm a mother step.
Okay.
So you don't know this guy? That's my cousin.
Yeah, but I know him, but I don't know her face. He tell me something, but I don't know.
Yes, my brother. My apology. You know.
Me not accept your apology.
You know, remind me. One last visuals.
I go, guys.
You know. All right.
Okay. Don't worry. Give her a husband.
Yeah, I'll give you a husband.
Give me one boy. I can pregnant in husband.
Don't worry.
You want one baby?
I want a baby.
Yeah.
You want a Jamaican baby?
Yeah, I want a baby.
Take his Instagram thing.
Look, I have one home.
You want to go?
He's good. He's got like 7.
Give her the thing there. Give her to.
Wow, chef.
No. Give her to. Say it again.
Rasta Jackson.
No, sir. 450.
Oh, the artist.
No, 30 man.
Oh, 30 grand.
Wait.
30 grand.
30 grand.
Let's see my wife.
Yeah, give her 30 grand. She want a baby. You don't have no baby?
No, I have one.
You want more?
30 grand.
Wait, I show you what
right.
I have home. It's go.
Okay, I'm going
Let's
to give
help them some more, man.
Look what I have home.
The youth them.
And I need a husband for make a house.
30 grand.
You want one from Jamaica?
Anyway, but
From
rich
30
for
grand.
make a house.
For make a house?
Yeah,
30 grand. Him just build a house.
I don't have money for make a
It's
house.
okay. Don't worry.
You want to go to Jamaica to live?
I am from Romanian. How
Don't
I
worry.
go to
We'll
Jamaica?
come there.
Don't worry. He will come there.
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna
send me in Romania.
I'm going to give you his number. Give you a husband.
Look,
Yeah?
if I stay
Yeah,
here
30
for
grand.
work,
30 grand, yeah.
for make money for him, for make a house.
So you never
for
been to
him.
Trenchtown before?
Huh?
Trenchtown.
No, she never traveled to Jamaica before.
So why 30 grand can you can come and stay with your new husband there?
Yeah.
Yeah, but my country is, I want to go back for show the people I win.
Oh, so you want to get married?
Yeah.
You want to get your
Yeah,
passport?
I want
You want me to call him now?
I have a husband, but I need a house.
Need a
I
house.
don't have
will
a
build
husband. I need a house for our husband.
Should I call your husband now?
Which one?
30 grand. Call him now. I must leave.
Yeah.
Somebody give me some money. If I look Ronaldinho, I tell him give me some money
Yeah,
for
beautiful.
me. A house.
He'll build it.
I suffer here for how?
It's your lucky day today.
Why? You buy for me house in my country?
30 grand.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's gonna buy it. He's gonna buy it for
Yeah?
you.
Sure?
Yeah.
Of course, he'll build it from scratch.
Okay, tell him. He need to make one house for her. I need to make small apartment back my house.
No problem.
Oh, let me show you me. K-I-N-O.
He's right here.
Kino.
I know.
Kino life in Jamaica.
You come in my country, Romanian?
Yeah.
You make me happy in my country, Romanian?
Yeah.
I give you everything. Come.
I'm coming.
I'm very famous in the TikTok.
Oh, you're very famous?
Yeah, look.
What's your name on TikTok?
Wait. Look how famous I am in the TikTok.
Oh, you're famous.
Yeah, you think I am not famous, but I don't make money.
Okay, she's famous.
Do my TikTok. I don't know how to do it. I'm an old guy.
Also, I am young. I'm a young girl, but look how I.
I won't do that.
You do it for us.
Instagram?
I have also Instagram.
Yeah, go on Instagram. Okay, so
Nice to see you,
nice to
Kino.
see you.
See you.
Yeah.
Brother, call me anyway.
Yeah.
1119.
We're literally trying to get some pescatarian food, you know, so we're going to try some street food. Here.
No more street food.
There's no more? That's it right there?
The limits, you can only sell hot dogs or sausage.
Oh.
And it's got to be pre-cooked at home.
Okay.
And then brought here and warmed up.
Oh.
So they limit what you can buy on the street.
Okay. So, you know, I'm gonna eat dog. So we can't eat the hot dog.
Veggie dog.
Veggie dog, yeah.
This is an adult establishment famous in downtown Toronto.
Over there, Zanzibar?
Yeah. You know, a lot of movies.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, they've got topless, bottomless.
Everything.
Everything over there. They got the topless, bottomless. Look, see a dog, yeah? But it's not the hot one. It's the shaggy one. That's the shaggy dog, Chris.
Yeah, not a hot dog.
Not a hot dog. So I guess we're just exploring. To literally. Tris, why you laughing, Tris? What's going on?
Wait, they got those type in Jamaica too.
Yeah, they do. Oh my days. Yeah. Been searching for food. We've been walking in circles. We've been going up and down. We're looking for that right food to eat. Not that any food. So we're looking for that, what's it called? Poutine? 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 That doesn't sound right.
Poutine.
That doesn't sound right at all. Poutine. You know?
You wanna know how you actually say it?
They're like Poutine.
Poutine. That's how you actually say it.
Poutine.
Poutine.
Yo, we're going for the Russian food. Poutine. We're gonna have some Russian food right now. You know, Chris is having the Canadian, he's having the Mexican, and I'm having the poutine. You know, the belly tank is empty. I don't know about Chris. Empty. Chris, how is your tank? You good? Oh, Chris is good. You know, Chris is on a right diet. You know, that's why every guy say, yo, Chris looks slim. Like he's looking weird. He's working out in the gym. You know, so he's making wave because it's summer. So everybody wants the summer body. So I guess Chris is working out for that summer, the summer body. You know, he's trying to catch up with us. You know, he's trying to catch up with Tris and then catch up with me. And then trust me, you don't want to go past me.
That's me.
Yeah.
That's me.
Yeah, that's right there.
Yeah, we have small, regular, regular.
So, do you have Jamaican poutine? Jerk chicken. I don't even eat chicken.
Oh, we're vegetarian.
Yes,
for vegetarian, we have the classic, house special classic, samosa poutine, or a buttercorn. So a buttercorn is veggie version of butter chicken.
Okay, so I'll have that one.
The buttercorn?
Yeah.
His first poutine.
My first poutine.
Virgin.
Yeah.
If you're getting the first poutine, then I'd rather recommend you to get the classic. Because the classic is just fries, cheese, and gravy. That's a classic standard poutine. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Is that Canadian
food? Usually that's the standard one.
That's the title, Jamaican eating Canadian food.
Yeah. So is that really, that's all it, that's it?
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Come on. So England is fish and chips.
Fish and chips. You're more like they're all
Yeah. Yeah, so
Are we on the camera?
So no fish? No fish?
We have fish and chips too.
Okay, yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, so I guess I would have the classic. That's just it?
Yeah, man. Where is wrong?
I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica? Are you having sweet for first time?
First time.
Then you should go for classic.
Yeah?
I agree.
Alright, so that's a starter. So guys, I will have the classic.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
We all are.
All of you are YouTubers?
Yeah.
And where are you from?
This is my dad. We're both from Toronto. And then Akeynote's from Jamaica.
I'm from Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can check out.
So how you know this guy?
We've met long time through his dad. So that's the dad. He's an international YouTuber.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He just visited
He been to your country, been to everyone.
Have you been to India?
Of course.
How about my country?
Yeah, of course.
I want to see. What's your name?
He's Filipino. I'm Filipino. I'm half.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you've been to all the country you can think of.
Interesting.
Must list. Chris. CHRIS.
Chris.
Yeah, must.
So he's the big one, he's the young one, and the slim one. So you can check out.
He's the big one?
He's the young one. And I'm the slim one.
How about you? It's the same thing, but TRISMUSTLIST.
Chris must live.
Tris must live.
Oh, you are going good too.
Yeah, so he's the young one.
Oh, I get. You know, on his.
Yeah, somewhat. I
Yeah.
usually stay
How about
here,
you?
so I just
Kino Life in Jamaica. KINO Life in Jamaica.
Live.
Yeah, Kino Life. You see?
Jamaica. Oh, I see. You guys both of you like are growing. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. I also started very small here in the flea market.
Okay.
Then slowly we opened a restaurant.
Okay.
First we were the shipping container restaurant. Then we were the food truck. Then we opened a restaurant. I'm the owner. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Poutine. So I'm gonna try the food for the first. So let's get it on.
Do you happen to have any water? Oh yes, sir. I'll have
And which one you got the triangle?
Which one did I order?
So guys, I'm gonna try the classic. Guys, remember, I'm on vacation. I'm touring, so we have to try new stuff.
Yeah,
right.
you're
So
gonna like it. You're gonna like it.
yeah, I'm gonna like it. So yeah, remember the D tax, A tax, C tax, F tax, all the tax when I come back to Jamaica.
Like we warm up the gravy fresh for every single order.
Okay. So that's the vegetarian gravy.
So now he's hungry.
I'm also having one of the Veggie Delight wrap as well too. So I'm trying the Veggie Delight wrap. I'm just trying.
Do you want sauce on the poutine?
What sauce do you have? Hot sauce.
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili. Yes. Yeah, and hot sauce.
Sweet chili and buffalo?
Is the buffalo is the hot sauce?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet chili and buffalo.
Sweet chili and buffalo for the classic.
Yeah.
Is that the bacon one?
That's a bacon.
That's just bacon, right? There's no onions in it.
There's no onion.
I can't.
No, my dad hates onions. He hates onions.
I can't.
To make sure.
You're the one having the bacon.
No, my dad's having the bacon.
Oh.
I'm having the butter chicken.
You
Right?
having butter chicken? You
Yeah,
having
I'm having the butter chicken. Yeah.
You're okay with the onion?
Yeah, I'm okay with everything. Just for my dad, no onions.
It's a classic.
Classic. Well, it tastes classic.
But this is a Canadian favorite. Like this is what we're known for.
Yeah, well, this is the classic I'm trying. So it tastes classic, guys. So
This classic.
yeah.
But to be honest, this is something you'll eat again at a poutine, or you like something like.
I'm not a big fan of fries anyway. But I'm just trying.
I'm listening.
I'm not a big fan of fries. So I'm just trying.
It's very well done. Butter chicken is very soft, very rich in flavor.
Let me see what's going on about here with Chris. Like, it's an everyday thing for Chris anyway.
No. This is not. For me, I don't eat French fries that often. I'm not a French fries.
Okay.
I'd rather have a poutine.
We came here for you.
Okay, so it's for me then, right? So guys, today it's for me just trying this.
Yeah.
No, see?
We could eat something different and boring, but
So,
I think at least you can try what a poutine tastes like.
might as well.
Take him when I met Kino, I asked him if he'd ever had a poutine, and he looked like at me like I was crazy. This was in Jamaica. So now he's trying the poutine for the first
The
time.
Russian poutine we're having right here. That's when I saw it, I'm like it was chips and cheese and gravy.
That's it. That's all you do.
That's it. This could have filled my belly if this was for dinner. But look at this. This cheese is stretching like elastic. Look at this cheese.
Imagine what they're doing in your belly.
Imagine what it's doing in my belly. This
That's good cheese.
Good cheese?
That's good cheese.
When it's stretched like that? Yeah. More like good elastic. I can tell, just like this food.
Oh, this is gonna be done in like 2 minutes.
I can imagine.
Okay, buddy, you're breaking rules.
I'm breaking rules?
Yeah.
You like the jerk chicken poutine yesterday?
I did. I loved it.
Yeah.
It's breaking the rules?
So you can like a jerk chicken poutine, but you can't like a butter chicken poutine?
So I love butter chicken.
Thank you.
Right? So
He's breaking the rule, Chris?
yeah, it's blasphemy.
Oh.
Listen, yesterday we had a jerk chicken poutine, and Dad loved it.
Okay.
So now I'm having the butter chicken poutine. And now you're saying I'm breaking rules.
You're breaking the rules.
I'm saying I'm breaking rules.
Okay, so yesterday you breaks the rule, today you breaks it back.
Yeah.
So there's nothing wrong. The record breakers. Father and son record breaking.
But he's failing to tell you, he ordered both.
Okay.
Right, so he broke it.
But you were like, you broke rules by association.
Right.
So, alright, so I got a wrap too.
What's in the wrap?
Vegetable. So Chris, you got a wrap as well?
Man, I'm full.
You full?
Well, I probably got onions in there, you're not gonna do that.
So this is a vegetable delight. The vegetable delight wrap. So there's simple roti and thin. Tastes better.
Does it? This is something he's used to, vegetables.
The wrap is bleeding, so I got both. So, good.
Guys, what do you guys think about it?
It's good, man.
You like it?
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
I like the wrap.
You like the wrap? And what's your how was your first poutine?
That's good.
Yeah?
Average.
Average.
Yeah, but like French fries,
So,
he said, so.
I'm trying. I'm not a big fan of fries. You know. It tastes very good. But the wrap is the bomb. Chris is full. 50? Full. Tris? Full. It's worth trying the Canadian way. You know, like you carry the, oh my days. Hey, yeah, Canadian way, you know. Like the English way, fish and chips.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Jamaican way, ackee and saltfish. What's America? Pie, right? America is pie, right, Chris?
Like pizza?
No, the national dish I think is some pie. It's not pie?
I don't know.
Every state has its own.
Yeah, every state has its own. Like they got like country gravy.
I think it's pie. I don't know, guys. What's the national dish for America? Let me know. Put in the comment section. Let me know. I know we have Jamaica ackee and saltfish. Well, we need to change ackee and saltfish because in Jamaica people eat chicken more often than anything else. You know, fish and chips for the UK, Canada. So it's chips and cheese with sauce, right?
Which? Poutine?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, gravy, cheese curds, and fries.
Yeah, so it's gravy, vegetable gravy. I had chips and cheese, and you can add it whatever you want to add to it. It's okay. Yes. Okay. Look at food. Food here we're gonna try. Look, there's food in the display. Food in the display. Imagine that. They put food in display.
Plastic.
Oh, it's plastic?
Yeah.
That looks real.
Yeah, that's plastic.
That literally looks real to me.
I thought you were just joking. No, it's plastic.
Alright, Tris. Yeah.
Akeynote.
My brother. Tris. Oh, look at that.
Just stole my ring.
Look at that. Chris, my brother.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, man. Nice to see you, man.
We'll see you on the weekend.
All right.
Any, shout out your channel one more time.
Yeah, so it's Akeynote Life in Jamaica, guys. You can go over and check me out. See all the great work that I'm doing in Jamaica.
In the world.
In the world. Yes, sir. Tris, so tell them.
Tris Muslis, guys. Make sure you guys check me out. We're gonna be posting every day.
All right. Look at his face when he said every day. Like he said, that's a big doubt. Highly unlikely.
More than that,
Yeah.
But I like the confidence.
Yeah, I like the confidence. He's just going to try and post every day. So, alright, guys, so you know, think of blessed love. You know, I'm going to head in. Blessed love.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.